This is my Jaguar XK140 Drop Head Coupe, which, like my other XKs, I acquired in 1973 for the princely sum of £340, and I drove it home. Frightening to think that's now over 50 years ago, and a considerable proportion of the car's life. So it sat around for many years because I couldn't afford to restore it. I was gradually restoring the barns in which the cars live and the other XKs. Finally, about 2000, we made a start. It was quite a lengthy restoration. It took something like 8 years. It was about 2018 that we finally finished it. Stripped the guard down totally and utterly, down to the chassis, restored in every respect, built up from the chassis, bodywork totally restored, of course, rewired, engine rebuilt, the whole thing, and then obviously painted, trimmed, superb. The trimming is exceptional on these cars because it has what's called a weak hood, so it's sort of shape of the, to some extent, of the fixed head. It isn't just a crude hood, it's lined, folding, and superb. This is one of the nice things about the drop head, and the 140 drop head. It's very much the all-rounder XK. It has the classic looks of the 120, but it has the added practicality of wind-up windows, the hood as I'm mentioning, and with the 140 there's extra 2 little seats behind for pygmies, which are very useful for luggage, and so it makes a great car for touring. And of course you can put the hood up or down very quickly if it starts to rain or whatever. The car has been upgraded in certain ways. We've got an original C-type head, which gives extra performance, of course, and we've got disc brakes all round, which are good for this day and age, adding to safety and so on. So it's great fun, tremendous to use, really quite rapid, and we've had a lot of enjoyment out of this car, my wife and I, doing a variety of events and tours on our XK club, and looking forward to many more years of driving it.